This lady tried to put an egg in the microwave. At first, it looks completely normal. The microwave starts heating the egg from inside, and nothing seems unusual, so you might think this is an easy way to cook an egg. As the egg gets hotter and hotter, the liquid inside begins turning into steam. The pressure keeps building and building. Then something unexpected happened. I'll show you. But first, may God bless you with 1 month of massive luck. If you like, subscribe, share this video, and drop a heart before this video ends. And then boom, the egg explodes. A real explosion that can splatter egg all over inside of microwave.